what is mental hygiene and why it's important to our mental well-being, mental health, and to our day-to-day life. We have to understand that every act, every behavior, every thought really produce the experience we are having. I'll give an example. When we wake up in the morning and we allow ourselves the first thing in the morning to look at our phones and then go stroll through information, we're activating the mental body, we're activating the brain. So suddenly we have information for the brain, and you know what the brain does when we give it information? It starts processing. The way how the brain processes information is through thinking. So what happens is when we start the day by thinking and about things that don't matter at all, what happens is that the body starts to be activated in order to find the best way to deal with the scenario at play, with the problem we have. To activate the body through the mental means we're activating our stress response, our stress reaction. So every single time in the morning when we check our phones and we bring information and we start the process of thinking, what happens is that we really activate our stress response. We're really high on stress where we could have avoided. So we start our day by thinking instead of feeling, instead of taking it easy, step by step, step by step. So imagine how many times during the day we get stuck into bringing information to the mental field that it's really not needed, and even problem that's not needed, and that really brings stress to the system, stress that also it's not needed. So in order to find a better mental well-being or mental health, or bring balance to our mental well-being, is to know when and where and why to start activating our thinking process and how to bring information. First thing in the morning, when we do that, that brings stress. And if that's also the last thing at night, the brain will go and then start dreaming and processing it. So to find time when to stop activating the mental process is to find better mental hygiene.